I'm Donlogos, a graphic design professional who puts his many years of experience at the service of all those people who want to grow and improve. I wanted to set up this platform for curious graphic designers, that is, those who, through their curiosity, demonstrate a distinct creativity that is within them but which they haven't yet managed to express in the best possible way. This platform is also and above all for those who want to become graphic designers. There is no age limit and creativity never gets old. Here everyone can share their experiences of professional growth and create a dialogue with young aspiring graphic designers. I, as a graphic design teacher, believe a lot in young people because they represent our future, resources, and hopes. It is important to create and provide specific services for them so that they are able to realize with quality projects that, above all, have a basic uniqueness. Who is curious graphic designer? They are all those people of any age who show a marked creativity through their curiosity. Curiosity is creativity.